Yes, guys, please let your friends also know that the session has started, guys. Yes, guys, if you have any more queries, please let me know in the Q&A section. The session will be started in 10 more minutes. Please let your friends also know that the session has started, guys. I'll be waiting in 10 more minutes. If you please let your friends also know that the session has started. We'll be waiting till 6:10. Okay.
Okay, Devish. Yeah, everyone is over here, but we were just waiting for another few more people. Okay, so we're just waiting for our other members to join. Okay, so just wait for another 5 more minutes.
Yes, guys, please let your friends also know that the session has started. Very few students have joined the session today, guys. Please let your friends also know that the session has started. Hi guys, good evening. Please let your friends also know that the session has started. Guys. I think most of you haven't joined the session yet. No worries. Let me share my screen. And we'll be going through second lab today. Okay? We'll be going through second lab. Still people are joining. Okay, no worries. Share my screen. I know that most people have completed the second lab. No worries, we'll be going to the second lab today. Later on, regarding the chatbot which I have promised you that I'll be explaining, my API key is still not working, guys. Okay. No worries, we have many more sessions going on. Okay. In that session, I will be explaining regarding the chart. Coming to second lab. What is our second lab overview? Let's go through the first. Get started with what let's say. First lab was prompt engineering designing, right? Now we are going to go through the Vortex app, Vortex AI Studio for it. Okay. Vortex AI is a comprehensive machine learning development platform that provides predictive and generative capability. Okay. It uses access to predictive and generative AI models. Capability means you can build generative AI, it will give the access to generative AI, predictive AI, you can build and predictive AI in Vortex AI. Basically, generative AI, we cannot build a generative AI models, LLM models, as we have discussed. Allows you to train, evaluate, deploy predictive machine learning models and forecasting. Yeah, I have told you, right? We can build a predictive AI model in this lab. Additionally, you can utilize platform to discover, tune, and service generative AI model to produce content. Yeah, what is saying here is here for machine learning model. He said that we can train and evaluate, but for generative AI model, coming to generative AI, we can only tune it, hypertuning. Coming to hypertuning, what is an hypertuning? We are just improving the large language model. That is what hypertuning is about. Like let me see here. You are playing cricket. You are playing cricket, and you are good at all shots, but not best at some shots. You want to play only straight drives around. So you are working on mostly on straight drives. Same way hypertuning. We have it is best at all, but we want our model to work good at some particular content only. Like coming to let's say I have in healthcare. I belongs to healthcare domain. Where my LLM should predict health health type health data. Correct. There we will hypertune our model to predict. We'll train more health data. We'll train more our data to our model. Then it can predict. It can give good accurate responses on health data. That is what an hypertuning is. You are just training your model. You are just changing a base model to our needs. That is what an hypertuning is about. And search generative AI model. Hypertuning, using the hypertuning, you can also decrease the size of the model. These are all service generative AI models to produce content. Okay. For instance, if you want to produce content also by using generative model, you can do that. Like building an application using a generative AI model, also you can do that. It was there. For instance, insurance companies constantly seeks to improve efficiency in areas like claims processing and assignments. Okay, what is AI Studio offers a powerful way to rapidly prototype generative solutions for such challenges. Yeah, I've already given you an example, right? Hypertuning. I have given you an example of healthcare. Here we have an example of insurance companies consistently seek to improve, and the insurance company want to continuously improve their efficiency, like claiming processes and risk management. What is the main goal of an insurance company? It's to grow their business. How they grow their business? By giving you insurances and seeing who gonna misuse this insurance. These are all the details. This can be automated. Who we can give the insurance? Who who will not misuse our details? These are all need to be taken care by an insurance company, right? This can be automated by a generator, he says here. Okay, if you have any queries, guys, up till now, you can drop it in the Q&A section. Basically, in Vertex AI, we can build a machine learning model or our hypertuning generative AI model. Vertex AI Studio lets you test and customize generative AI models so you can leverage this capacity in your applications. Yeah. In Vertex AI, you can quickly test some scenarios like you want to build an application. You want to add, okay, you already have an application. Then you want to add some new functionalities to that application where you are going to first work on first work on this model is good at this particular functionalities. Let's say I'll be giving, let's take an application there. Let's take Mitra. Let's take Mitra. Mitra has the application. You want to integrate Gemini into that application. Like if we give a image of us, and it will just give us a trial of whatever the dress you choose. You want to introduce that feature. Whenever you are giving an image of you and saying this particular dress, how it looks to me. You're wishlisting some dresses, right? You want to see on it yourself, right? There, with that particular feature Mitra want to introduce. Before trying it directly integrating to the application, they are going to work on this Vertex AI by seeing that if this is working good or not, then only they will integrate. For introducing feature into an application, guys, that will take huge time. There, that process can be done in Vertex AI. That's what it says. Okay. If you have any queries, guys, please let me know in the Q&A section. This provides a variety of tools and ensures including an intuitive user interface. Yeah, that makes it easy to start with generative AI, even if you don't have existing background in machine learning. Yeah, it is simply useless, simple to use. That's it. The labs guides you through Vertex AI Studio, where you will unlock the potentials of cutting edge generative AI models like Gemini. Yeah. In Vertex AI, what model you are going to use? Gemini. Gemini is built by who built Gemini, guys? I need a response from everyone. Who built Gemini? Gemini AI model built by whom? ChatGPT is built by OpenAI. Gemini is built by whom, guys? I need a response from you. Yes, guys, can you hear me? Are you in this session? Gemini is built by whom, guys? Who built Gemini? Yes, guys, can you hear me? If you can hear me, just respond me yes or no. Just thumbs up reactions also. Easy enough. Can you hear me, guys? Okay. Who built Gemini, guys? Who built Gemini? Google built Gemini, guys. Okay. Google built Gemini. That was we are accessing Gemini in the Google Cloud using Vertex. You will step into roles of helping an insurance company prototype a risk analyst assistance. You will learn how to take a prompt idea towards a deployable application, design specific okay, prompt to achieve specific generative AI outcomes, and use multimodal capacity to analyze various types of data, including images, all directly in the Google Cloud Console. No need to APIs or Python SDK for this core task. Yeah. Here we are going to build an application, guys. What type of application? A application which helps an insurance company. That type of application we are going to build. Okay. In this lab, the main motto of this lab is we are going to work on an generative AI application. In which domain? Insurance domain. Risk analysis. So you can say. In this lab, you learn how to create an application from the prompt, design effective prompt, engineer and manage prompt, use multimodal prompt. Yeah, these are all the things you are going to do. Create an application. First, you are going to create an application, design effective prompt. Prompt engineering is also you are going to do your engineer and manage prompt. Same thing, prompt. Use multimodal prompts. Yeah. Yes, yes. What is a multimodal? What is a multimodal, guys? Difference between text-based model and multimodal LLM. I need a response from everyone. Guys. Just try. Voice is not clear, sir. Please first lab papers on Karma region. No worries, others. Same if you are following steps for this particular lab. This is cracking. Okay. Okay. If you follow steps for this particular lab, same steps are followed in Vertex. Okay. Okay. I got it now. Sorry. Most people have answered already. Okay, Google, Microsoft. Okay, Google has built Gemini, guys. I was checking at the wrong side. Voice is quietly poor, sir. Please first lab. First lab, we will. No worries, no worries. If you will go to the second lab, same way the first lab is also going to work. Okay. What you need to do, everything will be explained here. Please follow the same steps. Don't do anything wrong. Most people have given Google before. Okay. I think I had some issue with the answered queries. Okay, no problem. Most people have got it correct. One given Microsoft is okay, capable of processing multi types of input. Multiple. Yeah, that's good. Multiple types of input means like what are the multiple types of input? It means multidisciplinary. Okay. What do you mean by multimodal is text-based models only give output in text, and multimodal can output in image and many other. Yeah, that's good. Text, yeah, text, image, sound, video, everything. Everything comes under multimodal. Okay, good ways, good responses. Text-based more basically we have two types of LLMs: text-based LLMs and multimodal LLMs. Text-based LLMs work on text, which will go only give output only text. It takes input as text, output as text. But multimodal takes video, audio, signals. These are all they take that input and only then it is going to give text as output. Let's say images as output and videos are all. These are all example. These are all multimodal. Examples of multimodal we have Sora, latest from the Gemini we have VO, VO2. These are all the examples of multimodal. Coming to text-based model, nowadays, rarely we are seeing a text-based model. Like ChatGPT also understands the input, image, all things, and it is going to give output images right now. Let's say ChatGPT 2, those are all. So after completing all the labs, what type of project we have to complete? Regarding the project, there's no need to worry, I'll be explaining you. Mostly you are going to build an application, right? Same application we are going to discuss in the second lab. Same that kind of application you are going to work on. Okay, no need to work. You need to build an application. You need to add some functionalities of that application. I'll be discussing about the project. No worries. Please try to focus on the labs for now. Okay, let's continue then. I'll be starting. Okay, before clicking on your start, someone are facing someone have still some doubts on the labs, right? Please focus on this lab so that most of your queries will be solved. Okay, resolved. Before you click on the start button, read this instruction. Labs are started. Yeah, these are the instructions you need. Labs, read this instruction. Labs are timed and you cannot pause them. The timer which starts when you click on start. Yeah, when you click on start, you can not stop. You cannot pause the lab in the between. Show how long Google resources are made available to you. Yeah. You can now access all Google Cloud resources. Okay. The hands-on lab let you do the lab activities in the real cloud environment, not in the simulation or the demo. Here, you are going to work on real Google Cloud activities. That's what he is saying. To complete this lab, you need to access the standard internet browser. Okay, standard internet browser like Chrome, or you can also work on Microsoft Edge. No worries. Best work on Chrome only. They are recommend to work on Chrome, right? Like after mostly this is on Google Skill Boost, right? It belongs to Google. They will recommend my Chrome. They want product. Let, let us open. It says that use incognito mode or private browser window to run the lab. The private conflict between your personal account and student account, which may cause extra charge. Yeah, what is saying here is you need to open it in incognito mode. This is the main step, guys. This is the main thing. Please open it in incognito mode. After opening it, let me share my total screen to stop share. Okay, still people are joining. Let's share. Okay, someone has pasted here is issue here. So during the generative media, the error thrown like this. Organization policy consists of okay, violated project. Okay, okay, Vishal, I will try to resolve it. This is the issue you are facing. You can see what is the issue. Organization policy construct violated project items to use as disallowed GenAI 3.2 generate preview. Please contact your organization. Yeah, you cannot use VO 3.0 for this. That's what it is saying, right? If you are using VO 3.0, why you are using VO 3.0? VO 3.0 is for video generation, right? I think for this lab, we don't have any video generation feature, right? That's what it's saying. Protect to allow use for more info. Okay. Don't use VO 3.4. That's what it is. Don't use visual. That is not needed for us. Okay. This is the fifth step of the program. Your 3.4 is latest, right? Task 2, task 3, task 4, and task, let's see. Explore Vertex X Studio, okay. Media, okay, they have updated. Okay. See these guys, these labs are latest. They are updating, daily they are updating, okay. Otherwise, you are facing some issues with the labs. No worries. No worries. If I still face the issue, when I am also working, if we face the same issue, then I will try to inform them. Okay. Let me um, let me share my interest group for now. So say complete all the labs. Please let me know the next step. The next step is first try to focus on labs, right? Because to work on the next step, you need to get credits. Okay. The next step is you need to complete next learning. You are saying that you have completed the first learning path, okay, beginner's learning path. Next, we have intermediate and advanced. You need to complete those. That is the next step. Screening is not doing that. I am sharing the screen. So, the step of the program, let text-based model only give output. Okay, that's all. Okay, let me share the screen then. Sure. Click on understood. Whenever you open a lab, you need to click on understood and you need to accept their terms and conditions. Accept, I agree to terms and conditions and agree and continue. What is the next step they are saying to do? Okay, now, you need to follow this step detail. Okay, whoever are new to the labs, please listen to the labs carefully. Okay, whenever you click on start, we are going to open it in the incognito. Right click on it, open it in incognito. If you are working on each, you are going to get open it on private. Okay, incognito private, same things. Like open Google Colab console, right click on, yeah. Why we are opening in incognito mode? Because AWS Cloud, AWS Cloud Console, we have AWS Cloud Console is an account base where you are working on cloud. Here he is giving us a temporary access. If you have, mostly we don't have AWS Cloud Console. If we have AWS Cloud Console, it will, when you open it in a new tab, it will affect your account. If you open this student account, the student account is a temporary account. If you are opening this temporary account, it can affect your main account. That wise, he says that open it in an incognito mode. So it can be in private. That's what it is. That was we need to open it in incognito mode. Okay. If necessary, copy the username. Mostly it will be login. If it is not login, he says that follow this step and try to log in. Click next. Important, you must use the credentials that will have provided. Do not use. Yeah, this is what the thing. Whatever the credentials he has given here, temporary credentials, those only you need to use. Click through the subnet page, accept the tab. I have already done that. I have accepted the terms and conditions. Those are all the things. Do not sign up with the free trial. Okay, that's not needed. For a few moments, the Google Cloud Console open in the tab. Yeah, for few minutes only. For few moments. After few minutes. Task on create an application from prompts. Okay, how to create an application from the prompts you are going to do. In this task, we will see the quick quickly you can take the idea of an generative AI assistant and turn into a work protocol using Vertex AI Studio. We will focus on our instance use cases, creating a prompt that help an instance profile. Yeah, here you are going using a prompt, you are going to create an application. That's what you are going to do. Creating a prompt that helps insurance professional summarize client information risk. Yeah. What is the prompt it is going to be? What you need to cover in the prompt is you need to summarize client information, report, and then prepare the prompt as a simple application. Whenever we give a report, it is need to summarize those reports. That is what it says. In Google Console, click on whenever you are opening a Google Console, it says to click on 3 navigator, then click on Vertex AI, then Vertex AI Studio. These three bars you can click on, then go to Vertex AI, then Media Studio. After that, if you follow the steps, guys, that's more than enough. Your Vertex AI Studio, sorry. So, AI Studio. Let's see. Okay. Overview. After coming to here, the Vertex AI Studio, click on overview. That's what it is. Here you can see the steps clear for me. Go to Vertex AI, the Vertex AI, go to overview. After clicking on overview, from the Vertex AI menu, the Vertex AI Studio, select create prompt. After going to that, you are going to select create prompt. This will bring you the prompt editor page. After that, you are going to click on I've clicked on that prompt management. Okay. Take prompt. See, create prompt, translation, these are not given. Okay, let's say for now we'll be working on, I think he has told us to work on multimodal, I think so. Let's choose multimodal now. Okay, let me see that which model we have to see. Translation, okay. Editor page, okay. Okay. Check that. Multimodal. Okay. Flash 2.0. Okay. Which model? Okay, let me see which model you want us to use is. Let me see that which model you want to use. Multimodal prompt. Okay, multimodal. We are going to use multimodal. After that, what is saying? The UI contains three main sections. Three main sections. System instructions. System instructions is a set of instructions that model process before processing a prompt. When a system instruction is set, It applies to the entire request. It works across multiple users model. Make sure. Okay, what are the instructions model need to follow? That's what system internal instructions follows. We recommend that you use system instructions to tell the model how you sorry how how you want to behave responsible. Okay. This session allow us to select model, include third-party models. Okay, we have third-party model, configure parameters and tools, and set advanced options. Like advanced options, we have discussed about the summit and temperature. Those are all. Prompt. Here you can create a prompt that visualize model capability. Yeah, you need to drop a prompt. That's it. Once the new untitled prompt page loads, click on untitled. Okay, in the top left, rename to this to prompt summary. Okay, this is what he wants us to rename that. Okay, we should rename that into this. Okay? Let me open that. Click on this untitled, and he says to retitle that into this. What is this? Insurance risk summary proof. What we have done before. We have want to overview, then we clicked on prompt management. After clicked on prompt management, we have create. We clicked on create prompt. On after clicking on create prompt, we are clicked on what? Multimodal prompt. Okay. I hope that's clear for now. After that, the main canvas clicks in the system instructions. Okay. Text box and enter the following given your assistant as the rules are relevant to our insurance. Okay. In the system instructions, you are going to give some instructions. You are an expert AI assistant for an insurance underwriting development. Yeah. What are the instructions? We have are in the system instructions, very top box, we need to drop that. What we need to drop is you are the expert AI assistants for insurance underwriting department. Your primary goal is to help underwriting by accurate and consistent summary, client information, and highlight process. Okay. What are the roles of an prompt? What are the roles of an insurance company risk analyst? Is we are going to drop it here. After dropping that, below the system instructions in the main prompt area at the bottom of the page, paste the following. In the bottom of our page, prompt area, we are going to paste this. You are an expert AI assistant for an insurance writing department. Okay. So, customer note, safe warehouse. The applicant is seeking coverage for the 5,000 square feet warehouse. The business is 5 years old. The building is a concrete tilled structure. Overall built in 2010. The story is a variant of okay. Fire safety measures include all full sprinkler system and central monitored fire alarm and document analysis instructions for okay. So yes. Okay, we are saying that here what we are saying, we are creating prompt keys. That is what prompt creator is. Okay, your task briefly summarize the key details of the safe. Okay, this is the what is the task? We need to summarize the key details of the warehouse. Is the way warehouse of safe or all this you need to do. That is what we are going to do in the prompt session. Let me drop it. Okay. Before entering, let's check. Did he given certain models? Did he specify the model? Okay, let's check that. Your task. Briefly summarize the key benefits. Okay. Ensure Gemini 2.0 flash is selected. Okay. You need to switch methods. If you are not already set, And the region, select US set. Okay. Just give me a minute, guys. Switch models. Switch models to Gemini and 3.0 Flash. And in the advanced, he said us to use what region, guys? Central one, right? Let me check that once again. Central one, US Central one, and Gemini 2.0 Flash. Okay, 2.0 Flash. Central one, 2.0 Flash. Okay. Before clicking on generate, just give me a minute, guys. Yes, yes. From now, my lecture will continue. There's no worries. He'll be discussing the steps, what you need to follow. And no, you already know what you need to follow. You have completed, most of you have completed the labs, but some of them haven't completed labs yet. For them, we are repeating again, right? Okay. From now, we will lecture will continue.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. So, how many of you are facing the issue with the Google Cloud Labs? Please let me know. Guys, who are facing the issue, please let me know. So, where you are facing the issue. So, okay.
Sorry guys, sorry for the inconvenience. I will continue. Okay. We have some issue. I need to resolve it. Okay. No worries. I will be continuing. Okay. After that, we had some small issue. I need to take up that. No worries, no worries. I'll continue. No? We have copied the up till where we have completed up till now. From starting, what we have covered is first we have started a lab. No need to confuse you. Okay. First we have started a lab. After starting a lab, we'll be getting these all details. After clicking on start, we'll getting these all details. The time is permitted to 1 hour or based on the labs it will be permitted. After that, you need to open it in the incognito mode. Okay. Right click on it, then open it in incognito mode. Open the link in incognito. Why you are opening in the incognito mode? It will not interact with our actual Google Cloud console. Okay, this is a temporary Google Cloud console. It will not interact with our actual Google Cloud. If you don't have a Google Cloud console, also you need to open it in incognito mode. That is the main thing. After that, what we have done is we have opened the. Let me open this. We have accepted the terms and conditions. Later on, we have gone through vertex A. After going to vertex A, we have clicked on overview here. After overview, just we can come to create prompt. After clicking on create prompt, directly can come to create prompt also. That is a step. After coming to create prompt, what you have done? Just we have copied to, we have system instructions, what are the main instructions it should follow, and what is the application is that we have given here, And what are the model? This is the main model you are going to use. And now we are saying that we want to build, we want to give we want to build a prompt. That is the same main step. And in the advanced feature, we have changed to our region to central. These are all the things we have done up till now, right? A small recap has been given to not get confused. Okay, this is not a big thing to get confused, guys. No need to worry if you are confused. Don't take any tension and try to complete it. Just this is just an beginner's lab. No need to worry. Main things are advanced and intermediate. Please keep in mind those are important. Okay, navigator. We have done this. We have done this. And we have copied this zero shot, few shot. Okay, coming to zero shot and few shot. Zero shot means zero shot prompted, few shot. Like for an LLM, you are not doing nothing and generating output. That isn't zero shot. For an LLM in prompt, you are giving something and generating output. That isn't few shot LLM. Okay, you are giving not any context, nothing context you are giving and generating an output. Then that is an zero shot. And you are giving some context. What is meant by context? Some text. Those are all you are giving and generating output. That is called few shot. I hope you got a clarity. What is zero shot and few shot is? Okay. System instructions where are advanced okay. हाँ सेंट्रल दिखाई देता है guys. Central US central one. Yeah, it's showing right. First they have open central US central one only, that was there showing at the top. Okay, that region only you are going to choose. After that you are clicking on after we have completed zero shot. I think system instructions has been dropped and okay, that is the second task. Sorry, I gone to 4. Okay, system. Then everything is step by step given here, guys. You need to follow the same steps. Everything will be detailed explained. No need to worry. Okay. Switch the model to 2.0 flash to 0.1. Okay, that is also done. Submit arrow button. Type submit arrow to generate. Review the model response. Okay. Then what is saying that you need to click on this is the submit button. You need to check everything is right. Model is good. Okay. 2.0 flash. Then I am clicking on submit button. Then he says to review the we have to review the prompt. What is the prompt user? This is the user what AI given as a self AI 5 years old. Okay. We need to review this. After that, at the top page, click on save button in the save prompt. Okay. Dialog box name is okay. Control C. It's correct. Okay. And click on save. Okay. Let me open the and click on save. This is the thing. This is the thing. Okay, everything is good. Then what he says, just follow the every step that he is giving. Submit. Okay. Save button. Save. Review what you need to review is insurance. Yeah, that is the name we have given. Region is correct. Yeah. Then click on. Now you will explore how to drafted prompt can be turned into a. Okay. How this prompt you have saved, which will be converted into application. How you can do that? At the top right page, click on the build with code button. Okay. After completing that, save. After completing save, you need to check everything is good. After that, it will take some time. Okay, just give it a second. Guys, it says that it takes some more time to say, okay, let me use some more. I think we are still facing the issue with this labs, guys. Okay, that is the main issue here. No worries, we'll give you some more time. Okay. Then, if you have any queries, you can drop it in the Q&A section. Let me check that. So, do not show central blocked only fixed global. Okay, central is showing, guys. Advanced region based central lining. It is showing. It is showing. The central block only fixed global. Okay. Yes, guys. Still, everyone is facing the same issue. Are you unable to see the central block, guys? Central option. Can you see that or not? As guys, I'm still facing some issues with the deployment. Are you still facing the issues, guys? If anyone is facing the issue, please let me know. Or I am only the one facing this issue. Still, it is taking some more time to deploy to the code. Okay. Are you still facing some issues, guys? If you are facing issues, please let me know. We'll try to resolve. We'll try to get some solution from it. If everyone is facing some issues, that means it is a lab problem. If I am only facing the issues, then I solve my issue. Yeah, Adarsh, this is not the way to do. I've already told you. I can see a central one. Why can't you see a central one? US central one. I shown you right. I can see a central one. Why you cannot see a central one? I can't. I'm not getting that. Yes, guys. Still, anyone facing issue of central one? For all, it is showing right. Central one. US central one. Yeah. Yes, others. Others are not facing any issue with this US central one. We need to check it from your side. Please check it from your side. Mostly it will show. I need to check. Okay. 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 Regarding the submit, there is no need to submit anything, guys. Okay. Already submitted the form, right? With the forms, you are going to get the credits. If you are unable to complete the lab in the 1 hour, no need to worry. You can end the lab and you can restart the lab again. You can restart the lab again. That's it. Okay. I'm facing some issues with the lab. I think my internet is slow or something with that. Okay, no worries. You have understood, right, how to complete the lab. If you are able to complete the second lab, guys, please try to complete it. Okay. After save, follow the steps. Okay. After save, what you need to do is deploy as app. That is the step you need to follow. Deploy as app. That is the thing you need to do. Okay. For now, I'm unable to show you the live because session is over. No. Session is not over. You can ask me queries here regarding the zero shot or one shot we have already discussed. If you have any more queries, you can ask me here. I think most of you completed the second lab, yes? Yes or no? Most of you completed the second lab, right? Just give me a thumbs up reaction. How many of you have completed the second lab? If you have completed the second lab, just give me a thumbs up reaction, please. Right now, I want to show you the second lab, but I am facing issues. Yes, guys, if you have completed the second lab, just confirm me, guys. Just give me thumbs up reaction. I got only few reactions right now. Okay. Try to work on lab now. Okay. In this session, try to work on lab. I am facing some issues with the lab. Try to work on lab. If you are facing an issue, if you are not knowledge of any some particular thing, you can get back to your Q&A session and you can ask me here. Okay. Is it clear? Sir, no, sir. Okay, sir. Yeah, fine. Why are you repeatedly giving a no, sir, no, sir? I'm not getting that. Regarding what you are getting, giving a no, sir. Yeah, fine. Just clarify your query that don't get the didn't get. Yeah, regarding the credits, guys, they will be working on that. Okay. Up till you are completing, I'll be explaining the first learning path. After completing the first learning path, until that you are going to get the access to credits. Okay. Up till then you are going to get the access. How many times we have to complete first and second? How much time? First and seven lab, it is already given there, Anjali. Right? Anjali, I have already seen you multiple times. Right? How you are talking to an elderly person is whenever you are going to an organization, you are ask, you need to ask some kindly or there is some formal way to ask you, right? Try to focus on your vocabulary there. Only okay. It is already given there, right? First lab you need to complete in 30 minutes. Second lab should be completed. I think first lab completed. Let me see that. 45 minutes. Second lab should be completed in 1 hour. Am I clear with that? No. Combined, you cannot complete in one lab. First, you need to start complete first lab. Then you need to end that. And second lab, you need to work on second. Okay. Am I clear? First, complete first lab and that. And second lab, you need to work on that. Okay. If you have any more queries, guys, you can drop it in the Q&A section. Yeah, link of the second lab. Okay, I will try to share it. Okay, second lab link. How on? Okay, second lab. Okay, second lab link has been dropped. Okay, second lab link has been dropped, guys. Please go through it. Okay. If you open Google Skillbush, it will automatically show you to resume your learning, right? Yes, yes, try to complete the second lab. Please try to complete that. Yes. If you have any queries, you can get back to the session and you can talk to me now here. Okay. Okay, sir, it's not saving and it's not closing. I will try to use second lab after. Yeah. Okay, you are facing some issue with the second lab. Okay, same as me. Okay, no worries, no worries. If you are unable to save it, okay, just leave it for now. We'll just leave it. Okay. Yes, guys. Still, all of all of you facing the same issue with the second lab. You are unable to save the prompt. Yes, guys. If you are still facing a issue, still anyone facing issue with the second lab, just confirm it that I will try after this. Okay, two of them. Okay, 2 to 3. Two members are still facing issue with the second lab. Okay, try to complete it with Tina and 5 MS facing the issue with the second lab. Try to complete after the session, guys. If you have any query regarding the second lab, just go through that. If you are getting any query in the second lab, after the session, I will not be there, right? Please just go through it and I will try to explain it. Okay. Please go to the second lab, carefully read it. If you are unable to run it, also no problem. Try to read them. If you are facing any issue, if you have any doubts, please let me know. I will solve them. Okay. Please go to the lab, guys. Please go to the documentation of the lab and I will be helping you if you are facing an issue. Yes, guys, if you have any queries, you can ask me in the Q&A session, guys. Please go through that. Please go to the documentation of the second lab. If you are facing some issues, no worries. If you are unable to complete, no worries. Please go to the documentation. You will be facing some queries, right? You can ask me here. At the time, you cannot ask anyone, but you can ask me here. Please try to go to the documentation. Okay, after putting the instruction, the submit button does not show. Okay, no worries. Okay, you are facing some issue with the okay the Vertex labs. I am no need to worry for now. Later on also you can work on it. Just go through the documentation. Most of your friends also facing some issues. Others coming to completing the first lab. Okay, for you, I'll be sharing you the video. Okay, YouTube video. That is our previous session video. I try to explain that, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I try to complete it. No worries, I will try to share. I will share you the recording session. Just give me a minute. A particular recording session I'll be sharing you. Yep. Let me share that. Recording session playlist. Let me open the particular video. Okay, first session, second session. I think every session has been uploaded today. Please go to the videos, guys. Once again, okay. So previous session, I think on the fifth session, let me check that. We have gone to the labs on fifth session, I think so. Okay. Okay, but on fourth session, I have explained it detailedly. Let me share you the recording. I am forwarding of the recordings, right? Okay. Yeah, others, please go to this fourth session recording. Fourth session recording to complete the first lab. I have explained detailedly the steps to complete the first lab. Please go to. You can complete that. And coming to playlist, guys, I'll be sharing you the playlist also. Let me do that. Get back to the playlist first. Share. Copy the playlist. Okay. Yes, yes. Playlist also being shared. Please go to the playlist and the fourth session. If you want to complete the first lab, others, please go to the fourth section. Fourth session. Okay. Are you clear with that, others? Can you confirm me? Yes, others, I need a response from you. Fourth session. Please go to the fourth session. And recordings link has I have updated. If anyone of you still don't know where the recordings are, please go to that. Yeah, yeah, thank you. Others, thank you for your response. Please go to the fourth session. If you have any more queries, you can drop it in the Q&A session. The session is going to be ended in 10 more minutes. If you have any queries, please let me know in the Q&A section, guys. Okay, Adarsh, thank you for your response, Adarsh. Okay, that response was good. Okay. If you have any more queries, guys, please let me know in the Q&A session. The session is going to be ended in 15 more minutes. I think 15, 14 more minutes. Okay. If you have any more queries, please go to the second lab documentation carefully. Later on, if you are having some doubts, I'll be not there, right? Please try to go to the documentation carefully. That is what I will recommend you to do now. Okay. Please do that, guys. Okay, guys, thank you for joining. I hope you don't have any more queries. Okay, so in the beginning, oh, oh. So in the beginner's introduction to generative path, the fourth activity, prompt engineering, I have completed all the labs and it shows course completed, but it's okay. No worries, no worries. I think Akash Kumar, there is some issues with the Google Skillbush account. Most of you are facing some different issues. Most of you are facing issues, but they are different. Okay, no need to worry. It will be resolved. It will be resolved. No need to worry. Okay. If you have any more queries, guys, please drop it in the Q&A section. Someone is unable to see a central, unable to see their location, region. Someone are able. Some other issues are faced by people. Okay, no worries, Akash. We'll be ending the session now. Thank you for joining, guys. Please try to join the session as soon as possible, guys. I see still people are joining late. Right? 70 is the count. Total count is 70. It will be reaching 70 at 6:30. Right? 20 hour or half an hour of session is wasted. Please try to join the session as early as possible. Okay. No problem for today. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining. See you tomorrow. See you on upcoming session. Have a great day, guys. Actually, I have completed those labs in those. Most came not in this course. Okay. You have completed already in the acad. Okay. Skill boost came. Okay. You have already completed this. Okay. You have already completed and again you want to try to complete. That is the issue you are facing. Akash. You have already completed that, but you are again trying to complete this. Right. You already actually have completed this labs in those academic. Okay. Then you have completed means why you are trying to do this again? Then I'm not getting clarity there. You want to learn, okay. Let's say if you want to learn it again, I think so. Some mostly we are getting some issues, guys, with the gym, with the skill boost account. No worries, it will be resolved. Just give it some time. Okay. We are updating the skill boost account. That was we are saying. Okay. No worries. Okay, guys, if you have any more queries, please drop it. It already been time to end this session. Please try to join the session as soon as possible, guys. I will be starting the session 5 to 10 minutes before. 5 to 10 minutes before, right? Please try to join. Okay. Okay. I see no more queries, and that means okay. I'm ending this session. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. See you on upcoming session. Bye, guys. Thank you for joining.